Turn your iPhone into a scanner. Office Lens crops, straightens, enhances, and makes pictures of whiteboards and documents readable. How do you save and share your meeting notes on the whiteboard after meetings? Use Office Lens. Just frame your shot from any angle and snap a picture. Office Lens automatically crops, straightens, sharpens, and cleans up whiteboard images. Save the image to OneNote or OneDrive and get it from any of your devices. Or share the image in an email. Do you ever worry about misplacing important documents? Switch to document mode and Office Lens will trim and color the image perfectly. Save time and convert the image to a Word document that you can edit. Layout is preserved and text is automatically recognized, so you can start editing right away. Office Lens can also convert the image into a searchable PDF file. Just snap a picture while you're on the go. With Office Lens, you won't lose notes on whiteboards, and you'll find important documents when you need them. Download Office Lens for iPhone from the App Store today.
Problem solving has been shown to be more effective for learning than watching lectures and videos. Problem solving helps you remember what you learned. Brilliant is guided problem solving in math, science, and computer science. It's for students, professionals, and hobbyists. So whether you're just starting to solve puzzles or have been in academic competitions for years, we can help you think creatively and critically about fundamental concepts. Brilliant asks you questions and gives you feedback as you're learning something new. You can make mistakes, correct mistakes, and gradually develop your problem-solving skills. To get started, visit brilliant.org or download the app. Once you're signed up, choose a topic you'd like to learn. Maybe probability or classical mechanics. We'll guide you through a sequence of fun puzzles and challenging problems designed to help you learn the concepts. If you enjoy them and want to learn more, then it's time to subscribe. When you do, you'll get access to hundreds of guided sequences from the Brilliant course library. Brilliant's short, guided quizzes are designed for busy schedules. Learn something new during your morning commute or at the end of the day. Stay sharp in a variety of topics, from logic to physics of the everyday, or even machine learning and computer science. With dozens of topics to choose from and a practice library of tens of thousands of great problems, Brilliant is your personal learning guide to the fascinating world of math and science.
Welcome to StudyBlue. StudyBlue is a very handy study tool for students that works the way that they do. You can use it to store notes and create flashcards. Study materials are then accessible anywhere that you have an internet connection or even from your phone. Best of all, it is free to sign up and get started. StudyBlue helps you study more efficiently by keeping track of what you've already mastered and what you still need to work on. This makes studying focused and productive. You can easily create flashcards based on your notes and use those flashcards to study online or from your phone. StudyBlue is organized by classes, making keeping track of study materials easy. You can also invite classmates to add to the notes so you can collectively study the class material. As you are creating flashcards and notes, you can enter text, audio recordings, and images. You can even upload notes you've taken outside of StudyBlue. The features of StudyBlue are concentrated enough to stay up with your student needs, but simple enough that anyone can use it. To get started, go to www.studyblue.com. You can sign in with your Facebook, or if you prefer, create a separate StudyBlue account. Once you log in, there are 3 things you'll want to do to help jumpstart your StudyBlue experience. First, start by adding your classes. Enter the class title, department, class number, and professor for each class you need to study for. Then search for shared notes or classmates who are in the same classes as you. Finally, start making flashcards and notes and begin your studying. Let's take a look at how to use flashcards in StudyBlue. For most students, flashcards are a very effective way to study. To begin using them, click New Notes and Flashcards in the top right corner. Enter a title and select the class these flashcards will be for. Begin entering terms and definitions for everything you need to study. After entering all of your terms, you are ready to begin studying. Click Save and Study on the left panel. You can view your flashcards as cards, notes, or even as a quiz, whatever will help you study more effectively. Also, there are actions in the right side panel to help your studying process. When viewing as cards, the term will appear on the front side of the card. Do your best to recall the definition. Then click the card or the circle below to reveal the correct answer. If you got the question right, click the thumbs up. If you got it wrong, click the thumbs down. Then click the down arrow to go to the next card. When you're finished, StudyBlue will then give you your score so you can see how you're doing. You can then choose to study again and select if you want to study everything or just the questions you got wrong. This helps you focus on the areas where you need to study the most. If instead you want to study later, you can set a reminder via text message, email, or Facebook. You can also make notes using StudyBlue, or upload your own, whatever works most effectively for you. Use StudyBlue to collaborate with your classmates and together study the most effective way. That's the basics of StudyBlue. Next exam you have, study the smart way with StudyBlue.